INSOFI at 10. Let me take this opportunity to talk about what we did in the past and what we plan to do in the near future. When we started INSOFI, we wanted to be one of the top globally respected educational and research institution in the world. And we chose data science because of the diversity it offered and because of the interest that the founding faculty had in that field. We can look at INSOFI's journey into 3 phases. 2 are done and third one is coming up. In the first phase, we started as an education company with 1 certificate program, 20 weeks, certified by the Language Technologies Institute of Carnegie Mellon to be of the same quality as their content. 5 years, we became one of the best known names for data science education, classroom education in the country, with presence in 2 cities, Hyderabad and Bangalore. And we also worked with a lot of corporates providing custom training during that part. At that point, we decided that the time has come for us to transform from an education company to an educational institution. And INSOFI chose a very innovative path to accomplish this. Instead of becoming a university ourselves, we identified able university partners who would help us fast track that journey. With more than 7 university partners across 3 continents, we today have 19 programs, bachelor's, master's, graduate certificates, and doctoral programs, all in artificial intelligence, data science, and machine learning. In a span of 4-5 years in our phase 2, growing from 1 certificate program to 19 degree programs has been extremely busy, has kept us extremely busy, but has been extremely rewarding. So by the end of phase 2, we have truly a remarkable global footprint. Where do we want to go from here? In phase 3, our goal is to transform from an education institution to a world-class global education research consulting institute. We truly want to meet our goal, which is helping enterprises advance their AI implementation, their machine learning use cases, and truly grow using this wonderful technology. That means all our faculty and data scientists have to be fully hands-on, solve real-world problems, bring that knowledge, share it with aspiring minds in the classes, and push the curriculum for its applications and theoretical rigor, and identify the most suitable candidates with diverse backgrounds, train them appropriately, work with corporates, help them identify their problems. This is going to be really exciting. And we are as confident about reaching that goal as we were about the reaching past 2 goals. And we again count on your support, your wishes, and your participation. Thank you very much.